What if you knew that the coffee maker you use every single morning is brewing more than just coffee? What if it's harboring mold, bacteria, and mineral deposits that are making you sick without you even knowing? I opened my Keurig after 6 months of daily use, and what I discovered inside was so disturbing that I almost threw the entire machine away. Stay with me to the end because what you're about to see will make you want to clean your coffee maker immediately. The morning ritual, we trust. Think about your morning routine. You stumble into the kitchen half asleep, you pop a pod into your Keurig, press a button, and within seconds you have hot coffee. It's convenient, it's quick, it's perfect. But here's the question nobody asks. When was the last time you actually cleaned that machine? Not just rinsing the drip tray. Actually, deep cleaned the internal system where your coffee flows through. If you're like most people, the answer is probably never. Or maybe once when you first bought it, and that's a serious problem. I used my Keurig daily for 6 months without cleaning it properly. I'd rinse the removable parts occasionally, wipe down the exterior, and that was it. The coffee tasted fine, so I assumed everything was fine. Then I started noticing my coffee tasted slightly off, a bit bitter, a weird aftertaste. I thought maybe I was buying bad pods, but then I read an article about what grows inside coffee makers and I was horrified. Mold, bacterial colonies, thick mineral deposits, all sitting in the warm, moist environment where my coffee is brewed. I felt sick just thinking about it. The shocking discovery. Now, I decided to take my Keurig apart and look inside. I was essentially drinking bacteria water flavored with coffee. Here's what makes it worse. Keurig's warm, moist internal environment is perfect for mold and bacteria growth. Every time you brew, moisture lingers inside. Between uses, it sits there breeding microorganisms. Studies have found that coffee maker reservoirs can contain higher bacterial counts than bathroom door handles. Well, let that sink in. Your coffee maker might be dirtier than your toilet handle. The simple cleaning method. But here's the good news. Cleaning a Keurig thoroughly takes maybe 15 minutes and uses one ingredient, white vinegar. Here's the exact process. First, remove and wash all detachable parts with warm soapy water. The reservoir, drip tray, pod holder. Scrub everything, rinse well. Use a paperclip to clear the needles of any clogged coffee grounds. Fill the reservoir with equal parts white vinegar and water. Run brew cycles without a pod until the reservoir is empty. The vinegar breaks down mineral deposits and kills bacteria and mold. Let the machine sit for 30 minutes with vinegar solution inside. Then run 3 to 4 cycles with just clean water to rinse all the vinegar out. The habit that changes everything. Here's what I do now. Every month I run the vinegar descaling process. Every week I wash the removable parts. After every use, I leave the reservoir lid open so moisture can evaporate instead of breeding bacteria. These simple habits take minimal time but ensure my coffee maker stays clean and my coffee stays safe to drink. Since implementing this routine, my coffee tastes consistently better. I don't worry about what's growing inside my machine. So that's the shocking truth about dirty coffee makers and the simple 15-minute cleaning process that fixes it. White vinegar, monthly descaling, weekly part washing. Moi, if this video made you realize you need to clean your Keurig right now, hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications for more eye-opening appliance truths. Share this with every coffee lover you know. Comment when you last cleaned your coffee maker. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay informed, stay clean, and enjoy coffee that's actually safe to drink.